Good evening, everyone. This is your Thursday edition of the Posh Premiere of the Closet of Bob J&G. I have several items to show you, a couple purses and a pair of shoes. I'm going to get right to it. The first item I have is this tunic. It's a high-low style. It has a little bit of lace in the back. This is by Anthony. It's a size extra large. But I'm going to step out and say that this could probably be a 1X or even a 2X possibly. Here's the detail for you. It has covered buttons. This is the sleeve. It's Anthony, and it's a tunic, very nice animal print top. Next up is this top by White House Black Market. It has a lot of detailing in it. If you can see, it has the crossover in the front. It's got a little peephole, and then it has like this ruffle going all around from the front also to the back. It's a size large, White House Black Market. Let me let you see the sleeves. Got a little detail in the bottom of the sleeves. White House Black Market. Next is this funky little vintage jumpsuit. I'm going to come up so you can see the waist detail. And it also has little silver, little sparklies in it. The sleeve's a long sleeve. Here's the back. It has a zipper in the front and the satin trim. Straight kind of legs, I would say. This is by OUM, O-U-U-M. I'm sorry, QUM, Q-U-U-M. It's a size 3X, and there's quite a bit of stretch in this bad boy. Next is this duster. Look at the sleeves. There's a little gather on the sleeves. It also goes around the back here, and then there's this little line that goes across the top. This is a kind of a stretchy material as well. This is a size large, and it's Lily by Famiano. Next up is this shine kind of cutaway sweatshirt. It has pearls on the front, and it goes off the shoulders, I'm pretty sure. Here's the sleeves, and here's the back. And there's a little bit of like a little band along the bottom. So once again, this is shine, size 2XL. Next up is this vest. This vest is by Travel Elements. It goes down to a point in the front. The back of it is just solid black. It's a nice little print, I would say. It's polyester and spandex. Travel Elements, size medium. Next is this cute little peasant blouse. This has some cute little flowered embroidery all around that follows along the back. It has elastic at the bottom. I think that's to keep it in place. And then the real cute thing about this is the sleeves. Look at that. They're bell sleeves on steroids. And it also has the embroidery around the sleeve as well. This is by Mad Style, and it says that it's one size fits most, and I'm going to say it's pretty generous, so that's true. Mad Style. Next up is this nubby knit sweater. It's made with Love. It's a size 3X. It has a little ribbing all around the neck. It also has that same ribbing at the bottom. These are the sleeves. Can you see the nubby knit? And then it also has like a little diamond pattern that runs through the whole garment. Made with Love, size 3X. Next is this dress. This is Signature by Robbie B. It has kind of a bell sleeve. And these little dots that you see throughout, they're raised somewhat. It has the wrap styling, elastic in the back, and there's like a little little ring that's right in here. This is a size medium, but I think a large can wear this. Robbie B, Signature by Robbie B, size medium. Next, I have this military style camo jacket. It's official. There's a lot of detailing on this, and I know camo is the thing right now. It's an extra large regular. It has a zipper, and it also has these Velcro things to hold it together. It has 2 pockets here. I would say it falls probably mid-thigh. Here's the sleeves. Here's the detail on the sleeves. And then also with the cuff, you can make it tighter if you want to by closing these buttons off. Here's the back, and it has these little indentations on both sides of it. It's not that heavy weight, but it does look like it's probably rain repellent. But there's lots of little storage places on this. And this is, I think I told you the size, extra large regular. I got a couple purses to show you. The first one is this Coach crossbody. This is the strap. It is adjustable if you're shorter or taller. Here's the inside. There's a little pocket in here that you can put stuff in, but that's the only extra storage on this. It's a Coach crossbody. I have this other purse, which is by Black Rivet. This purse is like a camel color and brown at the bottom. At the back, there's a little zipper compartment that you can put things in. It has this little buckle closure. It has a zipper closure, but I have it open so I can get to it quickly. But if you see inside, there's a couple little compartments in here. There's a little zipper part. Let's see. There's a little spot over here for probably tuck your cell phone in. It has these nice little hardware brackets on it. I do see that there is 2 loops for like a shoulder strap, but the shoulder strap is not in this. So that'll just be a decoration for you. But it's a nice size bag, and I think it will hold a lot. It has the little feet on the bottom. So Black Rivet is the name of this. I have a pair of shoes. These are really cute. They're like a burgundy, like a deep burgundy color. They're by Taryn. Here's the bottom. They're a size 8.5, and it has this nice little chunky heel for you. So they look pretty sturdy. And then there's also a little bit of a platform here too as well. So they're by Taryn. All right, that's all I have to show you for tonight. I would just remind you to go ahead and look in the description box below, and you can find a direct link to each of these products. You can also, once you're in the closet, just look around and see what else is there that you can find. I've been doing these for like a month now, so I feel like anybody who's gone to the closet probably knows that there's an option to make an offer. So if the price that you see there, you'd like to send an offer, I'm glad to consider all reasonable offers. So until next time, happy shopping. Good night.